Mods here for Mod651 Models, a channel dedicated to help you become a better scale modeler. Today we're doing the IBG Models Catalogue for 2020. If you've watched these videos before, you'll understand that I actually produce these videos for people who can't get hold of the catalogue. So what I do, I film it page by page in the best quality of film that I can. So this is being filmed in 1080p, and to watch it in 1080p, just go to the settings cog, click settings, go to quality, and then choose 1080p. Also, click full screen so you can see it as big as possible, depending on the size of your screen. So, anyways, let's start. This is the IBG Models Catalogue for 2020. Enjoy. So that was the IBG Models Catalogue 2020. It is a really good catalogue. It's quite small. It's only around 30 odd pages, but they have some really good kits on 172. Lovely poster art there in the middle, which I suppose is their box art. But yeah, a lot of 1:35 scale, 1:72 scale armour. It's a really nice looking catalogue. Also, it's one that I really want to do. I've never done an IBG model before, so that is definitely on my bucket list to do this year. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed it. Obviously, here we go again. If you liked the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. And also ring that bell so you'll be notified on any new videos that we put out. Any questions, any comments, put them in the box below and I do reply. And I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.